Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today I'm in beautiful Atlantic City in between the boardwalk and the beach, and I'm heading into the Ocean Casino and Resort. I want to check out Serendipity3. It opened yesterday. I've been waiting all winter long for this place to open. Gonna head inside, order something savory, not necessarily sweet today, but we'll see what I order once I get inside. It's a great late spring, early summer type of day here. It's June 2nd. Serendipity opened yesterday, June 1st. And the beach is starting to fill up a little bit, but it's going to be much more crowded, I'm sure, in a couple of weeks. Serendipity is a place near and dear to my heart. I used to visit it a lot on the Upper East Side of Manhattan when I was a kid, or I should say when I was in high school. Used to order that frozen hot chocolate, which is what they're known for. And today, I'm not sure if I'm going to order anything very sweet. I'm going to go more savory. Looking at the menu, they look like they have some good burgers and stuff, so I'm going to check it out. I'll just, I guess, play it as I go along, but really looking forward to this. I've been looking forward to it for the past couple of months for this place to open. Again, near and dear to my heart. Let's head inside and see what it looks like, shall we? So a lot of you have asked me about the escalators here at the Ocean, whether you're afraid of heights, which I am also, or have vertigo or something. These escalators are pretty frightening if that's the case. So this time I'm going to enter through the elevators, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Like I said, a lot of you have commented on the escalators here at the Ocean. They can be pretty frightening. As you can see, they go all the way up, and you have to hold on real tight. But as you walk in, if you just make a left, you're gonna find the elevators. So let's go check those out if you don't want to take the escalators. This is the shopping area of the Ocean Casino and Resort. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a quick shout out to Wise Malik, who found Cabby in my latest New York City Vault video, Union Square Market. Congratulations, Wise Malik. Like I said, I've been longing to come here. It's been a while since they've been constructing it. It finally opened yesterday. I'm not going to order that frozen hot chocolate. That's kind of like a meal in itself, and I haven't eaten yet today at all. It's about 5 o'clock, so I'm probably going to order an appetizer and a burger and maybe something sweet afterwards. Play along as we read that menu. But looking forward to heading inside, and come along with me. Now, last week I had a $18 martini and you guys crushed me in the comments, and I know today's going to be even worse because, as far as I'm concerned, price is no object while I'm here at Serendipity. I decided to order a Blue Island Hurricane. It costs $20. That's right, $20. It contains vodka, gin, rum, tequila, blue curacao, pineapple juice, lemon juice, and Sprite with a light-up cube, pineapple garnish, and a paper umbrella. Now, the only reason I ordered this drink was for the light-up cube and paper umbrella. Now, take your pick. Would you like the Golden Opulence Sundae for $1,000, Le Burger Extravagant for $295, the Quintessential Grilled Cheese Sandwich for $214, a foot-long hot dog for $69, or the Deluxe Milkshake for $100? I told you guys this place wasn't cheap. So as I sat down, they noticed that I was recording, and they said, "Are you a vlogger?" And I'm honest. I said, "Yes, I am." And they said, "Oh, how nice." And they showed me the menu, and they have little gold stars all around the menu, and I didn't realize what they were for, but I ordered the ultimate potato skins, and they said, well, the things with the little gold stars are currently not available because we just opened yesterday. Of course, everything I wanted has a little gold star next to it, but they said, hold on, let me go in the kitchen, and we'll see if we can get you those potato skins, and lo and behold, they did. Ah, the mighty power of a tiny camera. While the chef was putting together my pretty much made-to-order potato skins, loaded potato skins, the ultimate potato skins according to the menu, I was enjoying my light-up Blue Hurricane with the paper umbrella. Besides the ultimate potato skins, I also ordered the chili cheese dog, the foot-long cheese dog that has chili sauce, Colby Jack cheese, chopped onion, and Tex-Mex chili. Now, that light-up Blue Hurricane was about $20, and the ultimate potato skins were close to $20, and so was that foot-long hot dog, so that's about $60 so far, and I know you guys are going to yell at me in the comments below. Oh, I see those comments coming in already. Hey you, if you're enjoying this video, why not give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, subscribe to the New York channel. It really does help the channel out. Thanks. Cocktails are great, and the food's here. That's a big hot dog. It's a foot long. So these ultimate potato skins, which according to the menu weren't available yet, but suddenly became available to me, were fantastic. They had these microgreens on top, as well as some diced tomatoes and sour cream and guacamole and chives, and it's just like they said, the ultimate in potato skins, and lots of ooey gooey melted cheddar. Did I mention bacon? These were fantastic. And I think it's important to point out here that most people come to Serendipity's for their frozen hot chocolate, for the sundaes, for the fantastic Belgian waffles with ice cream and all that ooey gooey dessert stuff, and that's what this place is really known for. But I haven't eaten all day, so I decided to have dinner here instead. I will come back in a week or two and order those desserts, which this place is really known for. Now this foot-long hot dog was delicious. It had a toasted bun and it had chili on top, as well as some raw onion, which I love on a hot dog, lots of melted cheese, and it was not meant to be picked up, I don't think. It had to be eaten with a fork and knife. The French fries were perfect. I've been having good luck with French fries lately. You know, sometimes they're either mushy or they're limp or they're too crispy or whatever. These were crispy on the outside, like mashed potatoes on the inside, perfectly seasoned. And I also have to mention that there were no salt, pepper, shakers, or anything on the table like ketchup. They did bring out a small ramekin of ketchup for me in case I needed it, which I did for the fries, but I don't know if they were not delivered yet or whatever, but if you want some seasoning on your stuff, you have to ask the waiter or waitress for it. The New York channel now has a new feature called Super Thanks. If you're watching this video, just look a little bit below the video, and hopefully normally where you click on that thumbs up, look a little bit to the right and you'll see a new button that says Thanks. Clicking on that thanks button will give you, the viewer, the opportunity to leave a very colorful and noticeable highlighted comment on the video that you're watching, which will be pinned to the top of all other comments. And as my personal thanks to you, you'll receive a one-time animation while you're watching this video above the video, as again, personal thanks from me to you for giving me a super thanks. And of course, super thanks aren't required. They're just a great way to show me and others who are watching these videos how much you like to support the channel. So go ahead and beat me up in the comments below. $60 for some potato skins, a cocktail, and a hot dog. Well, that is kind of extravagant, but I've been dying to come here. It was one of those things that, well, money didn't matter. It's just something that I wanted to do, and I don't normally spend that much money on a meal like this. I'd much rather spend it on a steak and a nice hors d'oeuvre and a cocktail. But this is something I've been wanting to do, so I did it. Go ahead, beat me up. I can take it. Leave a comment below. That being said, I'll be back very shortly for a frozen hot chocolate and a sundae. Or maybe a cheesecake. Or maybe a banana split. I don't know. I'm going to think about it for a while and definitely come back here and enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.